Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars per day passively using AI tools on Pump.Fun platform. You all probably seen 14-year-olds making thousands of dollars on Pump.Fun just in a few clicks. That's why today I'm going to show you how to get similar or better results launching your own token on Pump.Fun platform. And to achieve these results, today we're going to be using this brand new and really powerful AI tool called BundleB. As usual, you can find the link in the description. So first of all, I'm going to explain you what this tool does. And later in the video, I will launch my own token showcasing you how to actually do it step by step. Of course, subscribe. So first of all, BundleB is the most powerful AI Solana bundler. And actually, I would say it's true because if we compare it feature for feature, this tool offers the most AI tools. And actually, they have this really cool new feature where AI launches token for you. So basically, just open their tool. It shows you some ideas. You pick the best ideas. And using AI, you can launch your token in a few minutes. Basically, this tool will create a name, description, website, images, everything using AI. All you need to do is just click launch and just reap in the profits. And also they have additional features like bundlers, of course, commenting and much more. So first of all, we have 4 features right here on the website. So the first one is the AI token creation. I just mentioned this. And I think this is the best feature because right now the meme market is extremely competitive. There's lots of new trends, they come and go. But usually with meme coins, you have to be quick and you have to be early. And if you have AI tools like this, just click the button and you're first. So their superior AI token creation process allows you to launch a 100% AI token within seconds, requiring no input from you. This, of course, allows you to save time and they get the information from the top 50 trending coins. Basically, you can copy what's trending and launch it in seconds. Again, really unique and really bullish. Next up, we have early block bundler. So BundleB utilizes early block bundling method, which is fully undetectable by trading bots such as BullX, Photon, and they are 3 times faster than competitors. And again, this is really big advantage that is undetectable because, of course, traders are getting smarter. And I think most of the traders right now are using BullX, Photon, or other bots. They're not really sitting on Pump.Fun because, of course, it's the old method. And again, this is really a big advantage that the new meta, BullX, and all these tools cannot detect bundling. After that, we have wallet management, which is, I think, pretty self-explanatory. And we have huge customization of different AI tools. Now, let's talk about the price and how to use it. So again, we have lots of tutorials, we have FAQs, features. So they have 3 different subscription levels. We have weekly, which is only 2 Solana. We have monthly, 5 Solana, and lifetime is 15 Solana. So if you're planning to use it, again, link in description. I would recommend you to test it for 2 Solana. If you like it, just go straight to 15 Solana lifetime license because right now in the market, there is nothing even close to these features with these AI features, token creator, bundler. So I think if you're serious into making money, into creating tokens, 15 Solana, you're going to make this money back real quick. So now we'll show you how to actually use this bot. Of course, first of all, we have to purchase the weekly license for this demo video. So let's click subscribe. This will open the Telegram bot. So you can see right now they have 10% discount with the weekly and 40% for the lifetime subscription. Again, really great deal for what you get. So for this demo, let's get weekly. Okay, I just purchased my weekly license and now we can actually start creating our token. So let's click start. This will open our dashboard. Again, you can see all the different features, launching the token, AI coin architect, basically what I mentioned in the beginning, where AI creates the full token for you with the website, with the images, with descriptions, with the name, with everything based on the trending tokens, wallet, bump, and volume bots. Next up, we have commenter. So you can actually add comments. You can see like on Pump.Fun, there's comments. This gives you more credibility and people, of course, buy more. Referrals, socials, and much more. So first of all, before launching the token, we need to create our wallet. So let's click wallets. So right here, you can create a developer wallet or you can actually add existing. So let's create a new developer wallet. Dev wallet. You get your public key, private key. You need to save this information. Let's click next. Next up, you have to create fund wallet. So again, let's create fund wallet. Let's click next. Next up, we have to set up the buy wallets. So let's create buy wallets. These are basically wallets you use to buy your token, like bundle buys. So right here, you can see you can create up to 28 wallets. For this example, let's do 3 because I'm just doing a demo. So let's click enter. And you can see we just successfully created 3 new wallets to buy our own token as a bundler. So let's click next. So on top, you can see the Solana price. Next up, we have the fund wallet. You can see the address. We have our dev wallet. Again, you can see address. And we have our buy wallets. Now we actually have to fund our wallets. So first of all, if you're creating your own token, it's best to use separate wallets to actually fund these wallets manually, because of course, this way it's harder to see that the wallets are connected. So let's fund our fund wallet. So let's click fund wallet. Let's copy address and let's add some Solana just for this demo, because I want to show you how easy it is to create a successful token just in a few clicks, and also how cheap it is. So you can see right now I have 1 Solana in my funding wallet, and of course you can manually send to fund wallet, and you can also send manually to developer wallet, but now I will top up the dev wallet using the funds from the fund wallet. So let's click top up the dev wallet. So you can see right now transfer from the fund wallet. Let's click on it. And let's go something low for this demo. Let's go 0.3. Confirm, processing the withdrawal. So basically sending money to my dev wallet from the fund wallet. And now you can see in my fund wallet I have 0.7, and on developer wallet I have 0.29, because of course there's transaction fees. Next up, we have to fund our buy wallet. So let's distribute to the buy wallets. So let's click now distribute to buy wallets. So you can see right now we have 0.7 Solana left that we can distribute to our buy wallet, but we can actually input how much do you want to distribute. So let's go 0.6. We have free wallets, so why not? So you can see all the amounts we're going to be funding our wallets. Also, this AI bot randomizes the amounts because, of course, it looks better, not like really botty. So let's click confirm. Again, processing distribution. And after this step, we just funded our developer wallet. And also we are ready to bundle buy with our buy wallets. I hope you're tracking. It's a really simple process so far. Okay, now you can see the full picture. So you can see fund wallet is almost empty. Developer wallet has 0.3 and our buy wallets have 0.6. Of course, all of these amounts after the transaction fees. Now we are ready to launch our token. But before that, I want to check out some settings because, of course, as I mentioned, this bot has multiple really bullish and new features. So first thing, of course, you can up the slippage. It's 10%. You can, I think, go up to 30%, in my opinion, fairly. Next up, as I mentioned, this bot will randomize distribution to your wallets. And you can actually check out how big is the percentage. So 20% is a default, but I think for normal usage, 20% is good. Next up, you can change your priority fee. Again, if you click right here, you can see just input anything and this will change the priority fee. Let's go back to settings. I would actually go higher for both these settings because, of course, you know, with meme coins, it's a PvP, player is player. Of course, you have to be faster to beat them at this game. And lastly, we have the take profit settings. It's really important. Let's click on it. So first of all, you have AI selling I mentioned about in the beginning. Basically, they have this AI bot that will sell for you. For example, if there is a big pump, like if some whale buys, actually their AI bot will see it and sell some part of the position to maximize your gains. And actually, this is really cool because manually, it's really easy to miss. For example, you see the big pump, and sometimes as a person, you're waiting for the next big green candle and you never sell, or you're too slow. And of course, AI can do it better for you. So if you click AI selling, this will toggle this bot. And you can see AI selling will sell a percentage of your holdings when the price moves up quickly. And it activates on coins when they reach $20,000 market cap. I think this is a no-brainer. If you're using this bot, toggle this setting because this bot will sell on each of the pumps, making you money. So next up, we also have the traditional take profit. So basically, you can see right here the percentages. So let's go take profit. Let's go 20% profit and we sell 100%. So, okay, now we have really great, I would say, stop loss, 20% profits, we're selling the full position. And if there's a big pump, AI selling will kick in. Of course, if you're launching more meme coins, play with the settings because I'm just doing a quick demo showcasing all the different features. So let's go back to the start, to all the settings. And right here, we have two options to actually launch this token. Also, by the way, they have the commenter, as I mentioned. You can actually add your comments for sending. You also have AI features where AI will write the comments for you and just click send. Again, really cool feature, helps to get more exposure, more people, more volumes on your token. So now let's create our token. As I mentioned, you can create the token using their AI just in a few seconds. And for that, we're going to be using AI Coin Architect. So once you click on it, you have multiple ideas for different tokens you can launch. So we have Skibidi, we have LOL, Pringle. Basically, they scan the trending tokens and they find what's working, what's trending. And of course, this gives you a big advantage. So for example, let's click on Bless. This will give you a full idea for the name, for the ticker, description, and even will create an image for your token. So let's click Use. By the way, you can see I was creating some tokens before. Again, this is my test account. I have my main account, but I'm just showing you some different ways, different settings, just to show all the different ways how can you use it. So right here, you can actually add the Twitter account. If you don't have it, you can skip. But if you're serious, of course, add the Twitter. Next up, Telegram. Again, you should have Telegram if you're launching a meme coin, but for this example, I don't have it. Skip. Next up, we have really powerful feature of this tool, which is their website creator. So if you have a website, again, you can paste in the website right here. If you don't have it, AI can create a website for you just in seconds. So let's skip it. And again, you can see right now, AI created our image for the token. We have the name, we have the ticker, description. You can see all our links, our contract address, and our buy plan. You can see how much each wallet will buy. And as mentioned, if you want this AI to create your website, you can click Create Website, and it costs only 0.1 Solana. It's a basic website, but it really works for the meme coin projects. And of course, with meme coins, trending meme coins, you have to be quick. And of course, this gives you a big advantage over the manual way of creating websites. So for this example, let's confirm. But if you want to create a website, it's only 0.1. So let's confirm. And you can see our token was just created. Let's jump into the pump.fun. The link is here. And right now we are at $4,000 market cap. You can see the token. You can see even the comments, the trades right here. So you can see all the trades. And again, when we hit our stop loss, and of course, you can wait for your profits to hit, or you can actually sell dev and sell all the wallets manually. You can see sell all, sell dev, or take profit. So just to recap, it's a really simple and cool tool. It lets you create your tokens in seconds. It finds trending ideas. It creates websites for you. It creates images for you. It creates descriptions for you. And also it has bundler and of course, volume bots, commenting, everything all in one place. And I think right now the price is really cheap, and also they have discounts. So guys, as usual, you can find all the links in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram, link in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you next time.